Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best PS4 Trigger Extenders is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for PlayStation 4 gamers who demand peak performance and a competitive edge, enhancing your gaming experience by providing more control and precision, especially in fast-paced games that require rapid trigger presses, such as first-person shooters and racing games. These extenders can significantly improve your reaction time and accuracy, giving you a considerable advantage over opponents. Number 5. Asokex PS4 Silicone Cover. This silicone cover is designed to protect your PS4 controller from scratches and dust. It's easy to install and remove, ensuring your controller stays looking its best. The anti-slip silicone material provides a comfortable and secure grip, preventing accidental drops. It also offers excellent protection against scuffs and damage. Included L2 R2 trigger extenders improve your grip and response time, enhancing your gaming performance. They're easy to attach and won't fall off easily. With its stylish graffiti design and included LED light bar decals, it lets you personalize your controller. It adds a cool, fashionable look. The kit includes a silicone case, trigger extenders, thumb grips, and LED light bar decals. Everything you need to protect and upgrade your PS4 controller. It does not include the controller itself. What we like. This product offers a complete protective silicone case for your PS4 controller, along with trigger extenders and thumb grips. If you're looking for all-around protection and enhanced grip for your controller, this is the perfect choice. It's great for gamers who want to keep their controllers in top condition and improve their gameplay experience. What people say. He's a heavy gamer with COD being his main game of choice. He's a daily gamer on average while putting in a few hours during his game time. He said the sleeve is super comfortable, the trigger extension is heavenly, and the joystick pad covers are super comfortable. With all of the gaming he does, he has not experienced any tearing in the material. The trigger extenders are something I didn't think I'd like, but they are really cool and have helped improve my game a bit, to be honest. The grip is very comfortable, has raised grooves on bottom for comfort for middle and ring fingers. Number 4. PlayVital PS4 Controller Extenders. These extenders are custom designed to enhance your PlayStation 4 gaming experience. They add comfort and improve your gameplay. They make it easier to reach and use the shoulder buttons. Enjoy quicker response times and improved accuracy. Perfect for those with larger hands, these provide better finger placement and reduce fatigue during long gaming sessions. This set includes various sizes of extenders for both L1R1 and L2R2 buttons. Find the perfect fit for your grip and playing style. Installation is simple and uses adhesive stickers to ensure they stay firmly in place. You'll find a helpful installation video online. Upgrade your PS4 controller with these extenders and enjoy a more comfortable and responsive gaming experience. Get yours today. What we like. This option provides customizable trigger extenders with different thicknesses and lengths to suit your needs. If you prioritize comfort and adjustability, this is a great option. It's ideal for players who want a personalized fit and enhanced comfort during extended gaming sessions. Number 3. TOMSIN PS4 Controller Triggers. Upgrade your PS4 gaming experience with these premium replacement triggers. They're made of durable aluminum, giving you a more responsive and satisfying feel. Replacing your worn-out triggers is a breeze. These are designed for easy installation, so you can get back to gaming quickly. These replacement triggers are compatible with PS4 Slim and PS4 Pro controllers. Enjoy enhanced performance and precision. Experience the difference of high-quality aluminum construction. They're built to last, providing long-lasting durability and performance. These triggers offer improved responsiveness and accuracy, taking your gameplay to the next level. Feel the difference. We stand behind our products with a 1-year warranty. Contact us with any questions or concerns, we're here to help. What we like. Unlike others, this product offers metal trigger buttons for enhanced durability. If you're looking for a long-lasting and high-quality replacement, this is the one. It's perfect for those who demand the best and want a product that will stand the test of time. What people say. Goes on easy, and way better than the stick-on alternatives often sold for PS4 controllers. These replacements are well machined, fitting well into the spaces and clips where the original buttons went. The knurling on the button faces has no sharp edges, and feels very nice to the touch. The kit came with a screwdriver and spudger, as well as springs, which are all thoughtful touches. Number 2. PS4 L2 R2 Button Extenders. Introducing the L2 and R2 button extenders, designed to give you a competitive edge. These extenders provide a more comfortable and responsive feel, perfect for intense gaming sessions. They're compatible with all PS4 models, including the PS4 Slim and PS4 Pro. Enjoy enhanced control and precision with every game. Experience a more realistic throttle feel, especially beneficial for racing games. It's like having a custom controller upgrade. Installation is quick and easy. Simply attach them to your existing buttons and you're ready to play. No complicated setup required. These extenders come in a stylish clear green color, adding a touch of personalization to your controller. They're also durable and built to last. The package includes one pair of L2 and R2 button extenders. Everything you need to enhance your gaming experience is included. What we like. This product is a simple and affordable solution for extending your L2 and R2 buttons. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that enhances the racing game experience, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a basic upgrade without breaking the bank. Number 1. PS4 Controller Upgrade Kit. Give your PS4 controller a fresh look and feel with this exciting upgrade kit. It includes everything you need to enhance your gaming experience. These silicone thumb grips provide enhanced comfort and control. Experience improved accuracy and precision during gameplay. These extenders give you a greater reach for the trigger buttons. Enjoy faster response times and a more comfortable grip. The kit is simple to install, just attach the grips and extenders to your controller. No special tools are required. This kit comes in a vibrant orange color to add a pop to your controller. It's a great way to personalize your gaming setup. This kit provides a complete solution for repairing or upgrading your PS4 controller. It includes everything you need to enhance your gaming experience. It's designed to work perfectly with all models of the PS4 controller. Enjoy enhanced gameplay on your favorite console. What we like. This is an economical combo pack that includes both trigger extenders and thumbstick grips. If you need to repair or upgrade both parts of your controller, this is a great value option. It's perfect for those who want to replace worn-out parts and improve their gaming experience without spending too much. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.